Mornings in the shop, the 29th. Well, good morning, everyone. We did a little test last week. We had a mornings in the shop video. It wound up being 30 minutes. That was a little longer than, or 33, than what I was shooting for. So I'm actually shooting for 10 minutes, no more than 15. But I got a good enough response that I think we're going to try it this week. Mornings in the shop, for spend a few minutes on a topic. Just this is Monday, and we're going to go to Friday. We'll just try that and see how that does. We'll pick different ones. Today I'm going to pick the shooting board. The shooting board is a valuable shop-made tool to getting your things square and pristine. And I use this thing. I don't know when I made this thing, but this thing was, I use it a lot. One thing, you can take a piece of candle and you can make that thing slice. You want your energy going to cut in the side right here. If you can take it away and make it slide, you just have better control. So I'm going to bring in here closer and kind of explain what I look at, or what I look for in the when I'm shooting a board. So the objective here is to get it square to this edge and this base square to this end. To do that, what I do, if this is the edge that I'm looking for to be square to, I'll flip it over. Then I'll pull away from the fence right here in order to cut a chamfer right here. Because if you don't, it'll wind up tearing the fibers and blowing out back there. And also, this will give you something to look at as you're going to know when you've got it. So I'll hit that a few licks, and then what you can do, you can tell you got it with your gap right here, and it gives you something to shoot for. When that gap is gone, there it went. When that gap is gone, now you've got a board that is square, not only this way, but that way. So the advantages of doing this is you can dial this right on with an edge that's been planed. If you're looking for an edge this way, so you can back up here then and keep your hand alongside where the cutting, and we'll take an edge off here. All right, when you take your, all right, what happens here, now you're square this way. It's just a way to square your boards up, especially, or for anything, but especially if you're going to cut a set of dovetails right there, or box joints, or miters, or anything. The better you can get these boards squared up, parallel, the better off you're going to be. And the shooting board is the way to do that. You got to have a flat surface here. You stand your plane up on the side like this. You got to have a flat surface right here. All right, when it comes down through here, you're perpendicular to the face here. That's what makes it square, and you're square to your fence. So that now you got a board that's squared up. This right here will just help anybody woodworking take it to the next level. You can dial it in. It's like having a foundation of a house correct. It's easier to build the house all the way out. But if you start wrong, you're fighting it all the way through. It's kind of what we got talking about right here. You get your timber, your wood, correct from the very beginning. You stand it's an easier chance. You stand a better chance to get it right, or you're always fighting it. And to me, this always worked good. Now, as far as mornings in the shop, like I say, the one we aired, I think it was last Friday, did pretty good. Got some good comments, and got people subscribing. I have 315 subscribers now. Again, I never would have thought in 100 years I'd ever have that. But so we're going to try this every morning this week, and we'll probably do a bench hook tomorrow. We'll look at it and the advantages and everything, because you want to make your life easier in the shop, more fun, and end up with something you're proud of. And that's what this is all about. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day.